So hello guys, so today I'm going to be using this both application OnlyOffice and LibreOffice. So I'm just going to be making like a comparison video. Maybe not like a comparison video, I'm just going to do some to do. So I'm just going to go show you this, change the theme, change the font, generate text, add a divider and insert image, create a spreadsheet. So I'm just going to do this do these things in this both office applications, and then I'm going to rate them. Okay, so let's get started. So you can install this application on FlatHub. So the both application are available in FlatHub. I can just open this by Control C Control O. So it's open. You can install this both application using FlatHub. So it's on any Linux distro on this application available on Windows too. So you can watch this video also. So let's do that. So I already installed it. So it's on my office. You can see I have OnlyOffice and then LibreOffice. So you can see, you can note that there are multiple options. I mean the LibreOffice comes with this many application. It's not one single application that has all the features. It's kind of separated into multiple applications. But the OnlyOffice is just one application. It's kind of simple. Just have one application, open it and use it, I guess. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, we need to change the theme. So first of all, we're going to go with OnlyOffice. So let's open OnlyOffice. Gonna click yes. Okay, I kind of changed the theme before making this video. Maybe last week I changed the theme. So let's see how I change. I forgot it. Okay, it's pretty simple. You can see it's settings and then there are more than lights. I think this is the default one, same as system applied. So this is the default theme. I don't personally like dark themes on office tools. I don't know why, it doesn't seem like professional, like you're doing something professional. So I just did the modern light and then click on apply, and then I like this, even though I don't like flashbang. So I'm just going to reduce my screen brightness to 30. Okay, so we changed the theme, so we can just Control C, we marked it as we did it. So we need to change the font. So let's see, there are multiple options. I don't want to go into presentation and PDF thing. I don't know. I will make another video, I guess. Let's go with document. So my first impression of this is it's just looks like Office, like on Windows, and it's pretty much think it has all the features the Windows version of Microsoft version of Office think it has. So let's see. First we need to change the font. So you know what? First I think we can skip to creating the lorem ipsum. So we can just mess around with that. So how to make lorem ipsum? So we can ask Google. I don't think I can see anything here. There is nothing here, so I just try to just put it in Gemini. So there is no option for lorem ipsum in OnlyOffice. I cannot just do this in Office. I remember doing it in the college. They did a 2-day course, so we cannot do that. So let's try testing that. Can zoom it in and I press tab, enter. No, it doesn't. And it says install the plugin called this. So let's see, click on the open document in the plugins tab. So let's see. So we have the plugins tab, plugin manager, and then how can I search plugin? Typo. Okay, we have that plugin. How to install it? Just click here, click how to install it. How to install this? I don't know how to install this. Click here. It goes redirects to this. I don't know, man. Where can I import it? Damn. What's this? Enter. Be careful. Avoid. Oh my god. It in front of me. I don't know. Available plugin. This. How to install the plugins? I don't think I can. Let's. It has installed here. This application has to install. Why this doesn't update? Available plugin, so it's already in the plugin, I guess. So available plugin marketplace, so it's installed plugin manager. Set up your own plugin. So let's ask ChatGPT, I mean the Gemini. Okay, just here, you can see just here. I think it's a default plugin they include. So I'm just going to click on that. Create text or plans, create text. Okay, I don't know how this things works. I don't think this kind of works. I don't know. It's create. No, it says correct text. I don't know. Will it create text? What the fuck is this? I don't know, man. This application looks good, but it doesn't have lorem ipsum. Okay, let's try to find marketplace. So ChatGPT says if you cannot just do it. It's not currently available in OnlyOffice. I don't think you can actually do this, man. What the fuck? This is the first thing I want to do. I think this I would just be able to do it easily, but does not work like that, I guess. So let's see the method to fast macro trick. We need to know external copy pasting. Okay, so let's go to the plugins tab again. You're in the plugins tab, and what do you want me to do? You want to quickly drop. Okay, go to plugins and click on macros. This macro. Where is the macro? What is the macro? This is start macro. This is, and come on, everything. I cannot even make a video simply just going through stuff. I guess I have to extra. Okay, this says the macro is in the view tab. So let's see. It's okay. Macro. Okay, we got it. I think the record macro. I think, okay, this is a pop-up window, but it's saying, and then we need to copy paste this, I guess. Let document, copy paste this here. Yes, yes, then save it. So how to, okay, I created a macro and run. Okay, we did that. It's supposed to be easy, but it does not. So how can I do this without going to that and then run? We got the lore map some, and let's copy that. So how to run? Okay, I don't think you can just put assign a key or anything. Auto start, no. Rename to, let's see, lorem ipsum. Rename to lorem ipsum. Okay, I thought this is going to be much easier, but it does not. So you have to go, if you are on anywhere here, you are on a home, right? Then you cannot just do anything. You have to right click, I guess. Insert macro. No. Okay. You press Alt and then it opens up this, and then again it's W. No, it's Alt. View is W, and then W. Then I have to press Q. Okay. Q is not. Okay, man. This thing is kind of has this submission. Have to everywhere and then do this. Cannot just do this, right? So you cannot just lorem ipsum. Okay, this is disadvantage, I guess. Maybe not really. So you just need lorem ipsum to. Okay, I don't think this application is can do this. So I'm just going to press put no. Yes. So this is not completed. So I'm just going to press X. So it's not completed. Okay. So next, change the font. Can we actually do that? Probably yes. So let's see. Change the font. Okay, where is the font? Okay, we can Arial to Advaita Mono. Okay, we can change the font. I like this font. So we can click yes over there, and then we can add a divider. So how to add a divider? Insert header, footer, header, not this close. Yeah, can we find that? Text box. Oh my god, where is the divider? How to add divider? Add page break. Let's go to home again. Let's see. Can we add anything here? Horizontal line. Yes, there we go. We added the horizontal line divider. Okay, it's pretty simple. Can we change this? Can add divider, horizontal line. Okay, guys, we added that. Now what we need to do is we need to insert an image. So let's open screenshot, and then I will insert this image here. Insert it. Yes, it works. We resize it. Yes, can how it will handle this? Okay, it's like it shows you the line. Can you even see that? Okay, this I like it. I really like this. I don't think I can do this in Windows, I guess. Windows Microsoft Office thing. Okay, we inserted the image. So what should we do next? We had a divider, we inserted image. So let's go to the spreadsheet. Let's go to the spreadsheet, guys. The cool thing about OnlyOffice is you can just go to this window, then click here. Okay, so we going to, this looks fucking nice, man. This looks fucking nice. Just looks like Windows, Microsoft Office, I guess. So let's zoom in all the way so you can see. Let's see how the formulas, do the formulas work here. Let's see that. I'm just going to enter 100 and then 100 cell. So we can enter formula sum, this both. Okay, this both. Okay, we did that. So you can sum this very easily. So we can, so this is, I like this because this functions works. Sum function. I don't know why they did not include the lorem if someone, can you, I don't know. So this is fucking super. So let's add this and then this into this colors. Okay, it works. It's about tables. It does work table. You can see, can do this. Zoom out, do like that, I guess. So tables also works. So this is super neat because I don't need to work. This is out of the box and it's got everything you need except the lorem ipsum, I guess. So this also works. So you might think this dumb motherfucker just doing this. To be honest, brother, I don't use Office at all. I don't use any Office, any kind of Office, but I like Windows Office because that's the one I used. I mean, Microsoft Office, that's the one I use. So we can create a spreadsheet very easily. Toggling checkbox. Cannot toggle this checkbox. Unchecked. Oh, focus that. We can just put X, right? So this is how it does. Okay, we did it manually, I guess. So next, the formula also we can put X on that also. So I would say this has one minus mark, and I will add UI mark. So I will add a UI mark for both of them. Bottom, I would say give it a UI mark out of 10. I would say it is 9. So because it just looks like Windows, I won't even give a 10. This is so much, so good looking. You can see this and see this just fucking amazing UI. And this is what I expect when I think about Office. Office application. This is what I think about the spreadsheet. It's so looking so much nicer. The theming and the icons, everything just looks awesome. So I would just give it a 10, but realistically, I would just going to give it a 9, I guess. So why do this? Okay, 9 out of 10. So we will do it once again. Okay, next. So let's open up the, close this. Okay, do not say no. So let's open LibreOffice. Go to Office and then LibreOffice. So this is me first time opening up. So let's see. So I'm just going to change the theme. So how can I change the theme, man? There's no settings here like in OnlyOffice. Okay, let's see under file, new. Okay, this is kind of, it's not under that. Let's go tools and options. This looks like promising. Let's go to appearance. LibreOffice theme. Yes, this is what you want. Light theme and then press apply. Okay. It doesn't hot reload, I guess. You have to close it and open it again. LibreOffice. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't change the theme. I set it to light and it's still dark. Background color. Okay. In the previous, I mostly watch a video. It says to use Calibre icon, apply it. Okay, it doesn't seems to be working, guys. So this is the thing about Linux is this is supposed to be the best software on earth, and just free and open source best software. Okay, let's try it. Try using another. Let's open LibreOffice Writer. I think that's the thing that we need. LibreOffice Writer. Okay, now it has what we wanted. Welcome. So let's go to tabbed like this. I don't like that. Single toolbar, tab, sidebar. We will just select a tab for now. Next, we're gonna go to light theme, enable application theming. I don't know why it's in calibrate. Vertical tab position, vertical slide, top horizontal. What the fuck does this mean? Okay, I'm just gonna click apply. Just gonna click apply. I'm just gonna click apply again. What the fuck? Okay, I close that. So restart now. Do you know? Okay, man. I did change the fucking theme, man. Edit. So the tools preference. Okay. I wanna change the theme. Why it's have to be this so much? Where is the theme? Where is the theme? Light theme. I said light theme. Light theme, you fucking idiot. Okay, this is making me frustrating, man. What the fuck? Change the theme. Light theme. Apply. Restart. Reset. Nothing resets. Nothing. Says restart now. Restart now. Just says restart now, and then when you restart, it does not fucking work. Okay, man. Let's see. The icon changed, but I don't know why the okay, customize. Okay, customize toolbar. Okay, why there's no customization about theming here? So I don't know. I just want to fucking put a fucking dump on that. But it's open source software. It's free. People working on it for free. But I don't know, man. This is supposed to be the best software, man. Enable application theming. Use white background. Use bitmap. Okay, apply. Okay, restart now. Okay, same as fucking this. Let's go drawing application. It just looks not good, man. I want a light theme. Let's see how to change it to light theme. So I just watched a video and then they are doing the same thing, but it does not, man. Okay, I don't think you can change the theme, I guess, so I'm just not going to do that. So let's change the font at least. I just don't like the theming, even though I can go with Lorem Ipsum that changes the themes. I'm just going to give a one minus mark. So this is plus one mark, one mark, and then one mark. You give this also one more theme, also one. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is total is 6. Okay, we need to pass this. So 6 marks. Theming 1 minus. Then let's see, change the font. How to change the font? It's going to be simple. So let's open Office, LibreOffice. Once again, I'm getting a call. Okay, the thing we did it. I did the phone call and then they asked me to recharge every single day. The Geo, I think the company that I'm using, every day they call. Why didn't you recharge? Why didn't you recharge? Because I don't have money. I don't need to recharge because I have Wi-Fi at home. I pay for that. Why I need to recharge? Do that, do this. Okay. Okay, let's get into change the font. Okay, I don't like this how it looks, but fuck it. We're gonna even the default fonts looks ugly as shit. You have Arial font. So let's see. Let's make a lorem ipsum. Can you do that? So it's saying me the magic keyboard shortcut fastest. Open the document and then type lorem and then or dt for dummy text and then press on right on the blank or on what that is. So immediately press F3. So let's see. Let's see dt F3. Holy shit. Holy shit. I need this. Okay, we did dt and then insert it. Man, that's awesome. Okay, we going to give this a 1 point. So we're gonna give it 1 point, man. We get it, and not this and this 1 point. And then this is completed. So next, change the font. You can change the font. You can select or you can just change Efra. Okay, we can change the font easily. Okay, let's change it to something. I don't have my fonts installed because I just using default font. Parasans. This looks good. So there you go. You can change the font also, man. So changing the font, we can do that. Add a divider. So how to add divider? So this fonts looks ugly, and then the theme doesn't change. It's just I hate looking at this. Just hate it's look at this. This is ugly. And where can I insert? Insert. Let's look for where is the page break horizontal line. So it says, see the pro tip. You can just enter 3 backslash sticker line. So let's see. Let's see. Can I just do 3 backslash? No, does not seems to work. LibreOffice is the automatic. About it, we can type 3 underscore or 3 hyphen. Let's see. 3 underscore. If I press 2 F3, I guess. Auto start. Not found. Okay, this I don't think it's supposed to be expert. Insert tab and then go to select horizontal line. Insert. Okay. Page break, you don't need to insert that. The media, no, this is, I don't think, shape line. I think this is it. Insert a line. What the fuck, not this line. Let's see, insert, and this looks ugly as shit. Okay, rectangle. I don't need this. I want a frame. So this thing not intuitive at all. Is not, it's just you'd have to go to, maybe if I just use long enough. What this is, line style, arrow. So is there, you can find anything here. It's a page break. Okay, I don't think it's anything. So type. Damn, I don't know how did I even pass this exam. I just so adding the divider is says okay. Okay, why it's inserting this thing again and again? We'll switch to some. Okay, man, this tool I don't want to select that. Okay, insert a page break. How to this? Okay, let's search on YouTube. So this guy have this light mode. I don't know why it's not working for me. It's what am I? Come on, man. Can you insert a line? Okay, we need to. Okay, so the ChatGPT light was you cannot insert line. So we need to go to do this every time we need line. I mean it's fine. We'll change the lines with okay. Change this. Okay, this looks good, but okay, we can do this. But it's we are drawing it the line by my ourselves. I'm just going to give this half a point. 0.5. Okay, I'm then going to complete as marked as complete, and then let's insert an image. Going to insert this image. Okay, it does work. Okay, how it's just selecting text every time. You need to click here and then drag here. Okay, it does that, and then the thing it's okay, I like that one. Okay, this is awesome. This is kind of better, I guess. Okay, man, this is amazing. Okay, I'm just going to give it a full. I'm just thinking about giving half point, but yes, this also gets one. Changing the fonts gets one. Half a point. Create a spreadsheet. So this is I'm going to save this. Create office, and then where is the spreadsheet? I think calc is the spreadsheet. Okay, let's do calc. Yes, this is a spreadsheet. I don't like the UI, but let's see the formulas. Does it work or not? 100, the key bindings works fine. Then sum, and then I select this, press enter. Okay, okay, the sum B. Okay, man, I select this, remove that, select this and this, and then press enter. Error. Okay, what do this looks like? So let's see. Can we copy this and then put it here? This is B3, B3 and B4. We can remove this into the center. Yes, we can do this. So the formula is the same. Okay, we can do this also. Okay, man, this is IT. Can we do this? One and then one. Okay, this works. Okay, we can do this, but I don't know why I cannot just select. Let's see, we can do this again. 50 or 20, and then 20. I'm going to do equal sum, and then select this both and press enter. Maybe let's try it again. Sum. I have to manually press this. Let's see, and then we need to just drag it. Yes, and then do this. Okay, I think you need to manually add the symbol. So this is also works, but I'm going to give it not works this thing I expected. So I'm just going to give 0.9. So it just works. Just a 1 minus point. Formula works, and the spreadsheet works. Okay. The UI I'm going to give it off. Not 7, I'm going to give it a 5. The UI is just not there. The icons looks way not good. And then I don't really like the UI. Look at this, man. I can't even change the theme. So let's sum the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 minus. So the minus, I guess we don't need to include it. We just don't include it. Why minus it? And then 1, 2, 3. Then we need to add this. So it will be 1.4. 1.4. I'm not really good at math. 1, 2, 3, right. So you know what? A cool thing in Emacs, you can do this. Okay, let's plus 1.4 and then 3. How much it gives the value? Okay, it's 4.4. Okay, the 4.4. Okay, guys, this is the rating, and it's 6 and it's 4.4. The clearly this is the OnlyOffice the winner for me. Even though it's fully open source, I can give it up to 5. You can give it up to 5. It's fully open source and it's just kind of better. So I'm just going to plus 1 point. And I really like the UI, so I'm just going to stick with number 6. So you know what, I kind of cheated. It's 4.4, but I'm going to give it 5.4. And this is white task. Okay, so I'm just not going to cheat, and I'm changing my mind every side. So going to give it 4.4. So that's it, guys. So the mark for the UI, just a rating that I gave, so it just doesn't affect anything. So I really like the UI of OnlyOffice. So let's open OnlyOffice. I really like this UI. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this marvelous thing. And then let's open this disaster. Look at this disaster, and look at this. Look at this. Okay, let me put it side by side. Look at this marvelous looking thing. I cannot even change the theme. Let's, for the one last time, I'm going to try to change this edit. So it's in view. No. Okay. I forgot that where it is. Style. Oh my god, I saw it, man. I think it's in tool customization. No. Tools and then options. Then appearance. So let's see. Try to install themes. So if this doesn't work, it should just install this theme. Installed. Okay, let's try to apply that. Okay, restart now. Don't save. Okay, this now it works. Now it looks like Windows from 2006. Okay, now it's everything is changed. I like this appearance better than the dark mode, but there is a light mode. I want light mode. Please, can you enable that? Apply. Okay. Restart now. Okay, it does not work with light theme, man. Yeah, I'm just going to give it a like 10, man. Just deserve 10 out of 10. And you know what? The UI, if the light theme work, I would give it a probably 6.5. 6.55 if the light theme works. So this is it, guys. So this is the result. So I hope you like this video. If you want to make more of this kind of video, please comment and I will do it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.